I really appreciate you all for attending this event and supporting us at this very difficult time. As you have heard, Uyghurs in East Turkestan are facing one of the worst examples of oppression and ethnic cleansing in modern world today, which we have never seen in our history. Over 2 million and possibly up to 3 million Uyghur Muslims have been rounded up
being processed by the Chinese Communist regime. So we would like to ask you to make a dua for us. At the end, I would like to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give us the power, unity, strength to get together, stand against the Chinese Communist regime, and to save the millions of Uyghurs from the Chinese prison. Thank you very much. Allah.
Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters, and dear my countrymen. You are all welcome. And I would like to first thanks for the Canadian East Turkestan Association and the Medina Center to organize such a wonderful event, such a critical time today.